Hello, and welcome to KinderMom. Are you a kindergarten, nursery school, or childcare center owner looking to streamline your operations and enhance communication with parents? You're in the right place. KinderMom is your all-in-one solution for managing your center efficiently while keeping parents connected to their children's daily experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to get started with KinderMom, covering setup, account creation, class management, daily activity tracking, and more. Our goal is to help you make the most of KinderMom's powerful features so you can focus on what truly matters, providing exceptional care and education to the children at your center. So, let's dive in and discover how KinderMom can transform the way you manage your center, engage with parents, and support your teachers. Setting up your center account in KinderMom app. To start with KinderMom, install the app from the App Store for iPhone or iPad, or from the Play Store for Android devices and tablets. Simply search for KinderMom and download it. A link to install the app is also provided in the video description. Once installed, open the app. Enable notifications when prompted to receive important updates from KinderMom. To register your center, tap on Register My Center and enter the center's name, your email, which will serve as the admin login, and your first and last name. Tap Submit to complete registration, and you'll receive a confirmation email with your login ID and a temporary password. If the email doesn't appear in your inbox, check the spam or junk folder. After receiving the email, log in using your email and password. You may change your password using the Change Password option on the login screen. Upon logging in, you'll go through an initial setup to prepare your center. This includes creating teacher and parent accounts, adding classes, and setting up student profiles. Since you created the center account, your login email will serve as the admin account. Each screen provides quick help details and a help menu at the top right corner for guidance. Creating accounts for teachers. The first step is creating accounts for teachers so they can log into KinderMom and manage their classes. Log in as an administrator, go to the Users menu, and tap on the New tab. You can add a profile photo for the teacher if you wish. Enter their first and last name, date of birth, and check is active to enable their account. To disable access later, you can uncheck is active. Enter the teacher's email, and KinderMom will send a password to this address. Set user type as teacher, select their gender, and enter their mobile number. Tap Save to complete the setup. Teachers can now log in using their credentials. If teachers need guidance, they can watch the KinderMom Guide for Teachers video linked in the description. To edit or delete a teacher's details, use the List tab in the Users menu. Creating accounts for parents. Now, let's create accounts for parents. With a parent account, parents can log into KinderMom to view their child's activities, receive notifications, communicate with teachers, and track attendance. Log in as an admin and go to Users, then tap New. Add the parent's first and last name, date of birth, and check is active. Enter the parent's email, and KinderMom will email the login credentials. Set user type to parent, select gender, enter a mobile number, and tap Save. Parents can now log in and access updates for their child. Each parent can view profiles of multiple children if enrolled. To edit or delete parent details, use the List tab. A KinderMom Guide for Parents video is linked in the description. Creating classes. To organize students and teachers into classes, go to the Classes menu. Tap on Edit at the top right, then select New. You can upload an icon or image representing the class. Enter the class name, description, and set daily start and end times. Assign one or more teachers to the class and select the active days for the class. Tap Save. To edit or delete a class, select it from the List tab. Classes are now ready for assigning students. Creating student profiles. With classes set up, let's add student details. In the Students menu, tap Edit and select New. Add a profile photo, enter the student's name, nickname, date of birth, admission number, admission date, gender, and address. Assign the student to a class and select their parents from the list of created accounts. Use the special info section to note any medical needs, allergies, or special instructions. Add additional notes if needed. If you wish to hide the student's profile, check is deactivated. Tap Save to save the profile. To edit or delete student details, use the List tab in Students. Downloading and printing QR codes for students. Once student profiles are created, you can generate a QR code for each student, simplifying attendance and activity tracking for teachers. Go to Students, select My QR code for the student, then tap Share and Save to download. Print the QR code and place it near the student's seat. Teachers can scan the QR code to log activities or mark attendance. This process is detailed further in the teacher's guide. Introduction to the Shortcuts menu. The Shortcuts menu enables quick access to daily tasks like logging activities, attendance, and communication. Primarily used by teachers, administrators can also access it. Activities saved here instantly notify parents. Overview menu. The Overview menu provides a real-time summary of center operations, including student and teacher attendance, recent activities, upcoming events, and notifications. Messages. The Messages menu allows administrators to communicate directly with parents. Tap New to start a chat, select a student, type a message, or attach an image. Parents receive these messages as notifications and can reply. Calendar. The Calendar feature helps administrators and teachers create and view upcoming events. Tap the plus icon to add event details, which are viewable by both administrators and teachers for smooth coordination. Bulk saving attendance and activities. Bulk save attendance or activities for all students in a class. In classes, select a class, tap Attendance, or Add Activity, select Students, and tap Save to apply the updates for multiple students at once. Student Profile. The Student Profile screen provides all details about a student, including daily report, view all activities on a specific date. Timeline, chronological view of student activities. QR code, access QR code for quick scans. Literacy and skills, track literacy and skill development. Attendance, view attendance history. Invoice, manage fee reminders. Reminders, notifications such as late fee notices. Lost and found. The Lost and Found feature tracks items misplaced by students. In the Found and Lost menu, tap New to add an item with details such as a description and date found, making it easy to notify parents and return belongings. This completes the Administrator's Guide to KinderMom. By following these steps, you're now set to manage your center efficiently, engage parents effectively, and support teachers in providing quality care and education. Thank you for choosing KinderMom, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime.